School Lunch Hero Day is coming up the first Friday of May, and I just received the first shipment of some of the new products I designed for the School Nutrition Association. The SNA has a store on their website, and the proceeds will benefit professional development for school nutrition professionals. And we designed a few new items for this year, and I will be seeing them here for the first time. Let's see what we have. We have some lovely cups for your party. We have, oh, these must be the sunglasses. Nice. Let's see what else we have here. We have a School Lunch Hero tote bag, a School Lunch Hero mug. We have a new School Lunch Hero t-shirt. I'm really excited about this one. They actually only have a few more of these on their website, so they're going to have to, once they sell out, they're going to have to take it off of the site, and it will be back in stock for 2025 School Lunch Hero Day. But it is a blanket. Also, I don't know what this one is. Wouldn't it be funny if this was just another package that was coming in the mail? This has nothing to do. This might have nothing to do with School Lunch Hero Day. It arrived at the same time as the package from School Lunch Hero Day, so I figured, oh no, yeah, no, this is a, this is, my son broke his iPad, and so I sent it away to get fixed, and they couldn't fix it. My son's broken iPad is not available for School Lunch Hero Day, but see what other items we designed that weren't in this package. There's a yellow apron. There's also a yellow t-shirt, and lots of other cool things. So schoollunchheroday.com is where you can find all of these items. Again, you will find a whole bunch of freebies and downloads that you can use in your School Lunch Hero Day celebrations. Thanks.